Marshall is back, and it's louder, smarter, and tougher than ever. This is the Middleton II, a pocket-sized powerhouse that's built to go everywhere and sound amazing while it's at it. It might fit in your hand, but don't let the size fool you. The Middleton II is built like a tank, wrapped in a rugged, water-resistant body with an IP67 rating. Dust, splash, drop it by the pool? No problem. It's made to take a beating and keep blasting. Under the hood, it packs serious hardware. Twin 30-watt woofers and two 10-watt tweeters. That means room-filling 360-degree sound with deeper bass and crystal-clear highs. Whether you're center stage or off to the side, Marshall tuned it to perform even at max volume. And trust us, it does perform. Battery life? Over 30 hours. That's a full weekend music. No interruptions. Running low? Plug in for 20 minutes and get back in the groove. And if your phone's the one gasping for life, Middleton II doubles as a power bank. Total lifesaver. One knob does it all. Play, pause, skip tracks, adjust volume, even answer calls. And yeah, there's a built-in mic for hands-free chats. No app diving, no fumbling. Just tap, twist, go. This isn't just a speaker, it's a soundtrack machine. Whether you're kicking back solo or throwing down with friends, the Middleton II goes wherever the vibe takes you. Loud, clear, and unmistakably Marshall. The Middleton II. Rugged, refined, ready to roll. Available now for $330. Ready to crank it? Like what you heard? Hit subscribe and explore more gear that hits the right notes.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.